This is the Chroma scooter, and it's one of the easiest things to put together. Like literally comes in the box, and you could see I've unpacked it, and without even reading the manual, I was able to just put it all together. A 5-year-old can do it, maybe a 6. It comes with a charger. They recommend to charge it before you ride it. But what's beautiful about it is that if you get this for Christmas, in like 3 minutes, you're up and riding. While it's charging real quick, hub motor, so the motor is in the wheel over here. Solid tires, so you don't have to put air in it, so you don't have to scramble for a pump. And there is a front brake. So the bike has a front brake, has engine brake or regenerative brake, and that's it. It's really simple. Okay, so you have certain speeds, E, D, and S. We're gonna try E first because we don't know what we're doing. And then it doesn't do anything if you just tap on the throttle. What you'll have to do is you'll have to start rolling and then tap on the throttle, and then it's going. Okay, I think we are ready for more speed. Oh yeah, more speed. Oh, this thing goes, man. I like the handlebars, are very narrow, so you could fit in between people, as wide as a person. Throttle, very easy to use. Power button is over here. It doesn't accelerate even if it's on, unless you start pushing it. That's a safety feature built in. I really like it. Has a little bell. The brake is regenerative. Also, it's a disc in the front, so it stops on that drum. The motor is built into the back, so it's a hub motor. I've been riding it for the past 5-10 miles. It's a little bit warm, but nothing crazy. It has a reflective over here. It has a light over here in the back. The battery is built in right under, so the entire stuff for the battery is built in right under here. And it has reflectors here on the side. This one folds really easy. You flip this one up and then you just go like this, and this entire thing just flips backwards, and now you could store it into a car. This is so it doesn't open by itself. You just hold this tab down and then goes back in, and one hand you lock it into place and you're ready to roll. It has a light here in the front, so very simple, basic, easy to use, easy to assemble. You could be up and riding up and down the street if you buy this one as a present in literally 5 minutes. 10 if you don't know what you're doing. I'm already creating happy memories. Look at this. I'm like a child. For a child, this is really built-in safety, and that's awesome because they're not gonna do crazy stuff on it. You could easily give them access to one of these and send them with a helmet on and not worry that something is gonna happen to them. I really like this thing. For a walk in the park, coming from a longboard, skateboard, that was criminal. This thing is just so much safer. Just feels like so easy to maneuver. I'm liking it. And very safely can navigate even in grass, but it's not meant for it. So it's going really slow, trying to keep it safe, and then when you get to the pavement, it starts to push. That's awesome. I like it. What a beautiful day in Vegas. Woohoo! What a beautiful day. Can't wait to do a range test on it to see how far it can go. So I'm gonna go and fully charge it home and go for a beautiful ride in Las Vegas. Woohoo! Full to zero, next video. I think it will do 20 miles. And that's really all you need to have fun. Man, this thing's came long ways.